Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am showing you how to create this logo animation, just like Grand Theft Auto 6 inside After Effects. Before we start, just hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So let's dive in. First, create a new composition and name it to text edit and write some text. Create another composition, and this time, render comp. Drag the text edit comp into it, one more text edit comp into it. Apply fill effect on first text. Press Ctrl D to duplicate the text layer one more time. Hide the first layer just for now. First, apply glow effect on second text comp. Set the glow radius to 80. Now apply fastbox blur in second comp. Set the blur radius to 1. Now select the third layer and apply 4 color gradients. Set the color just like that, or maybe according to your choice. Apply another effect, and this time CC radial blur. Set the type to fading zoom. Amount 65. So it's looking good for me. Now next part is animate our logo, select all layers and pre-compose them. Now apply CC linear wipe on final render. Set the angle to 0. At the starting transition, completion is 100, and after 1 second change it to 0. That said, our animation is ready. Add the title and also animate with the same process. That's the end of today's video. Hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.